We got Fluffy and Sueño and the Dollar Tree ones, like the purple, green, blue. And then we have like $4 Downy ones. The Cash App. Well, somebody, Coley, wait, there you go. Thank you, thank you. No. No, I'll have to get off in the next 30-ish minutes. I think we're gonna have to do it tomorrow. What time do you get on? I want to have it literally on either right when we start or, you know, do it at a certain time for you so you can enjoy it. Oh, you like the rain? Hey, Queen. How are you? Oh, we have a whole powder bomb over here just sitting and chilling. I feel that. It doesn't rain here often either. Thank you, thank you. I'll go get that. Hopefully it will allow these to not turn. No. You guys are so sweet to each other. I love to see it. Yep, and I love it. I love when it goes up my nose. It's in my ears too, like it's everywhere. Please don't spill. Please be kind. It definitely is deodorant. Does anybody else feel when fabrics, if it's cold on your skin? Like, it's always so cold. And I love it. It's SHPOW1, and it should say Robert. Yeah, that's my husband. Can't make one under my name anymore. Because I guess I'm running illegal activities up in here. I hate tipping sponges more than anything. Facts. And then I even appealed it and told them what I was doing, and they're like, nope, illegal. I'm like, okay, sure. They really do. Party of the week. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know why all four of my accounts were taken away, including my son, so I guess 5. Get in the sink. I want to see a video from you. Or a live. Ooh, a live would be nice. Yes. With water. I love Blanca. I love the smell of it. I love Ariel for the color. Same. Yeah, it's Blanca. Oh, it smells so good. I like crave it. So that for the smell, and then Ariel for the color. But Ariel also smells really good too. stop in and get in, that's fine. It's completely fine, but it's so nice to have it set up and ready. Like when I did the mod live, oh, I love that. Woo! I can't wait. I'm so excited to see what you came up with. That means we'll have 2 combos already ready to go. Hey, oh, yeah. Did you flip? Of course you did. Why wouldn't you? Yes, it is. Like, how are we still liquidy? We've had so much powder. It really did. You guys always seem to do such a good overload at the end of every day. I love it. I still just smell the Murphys. We don't have enough. They used the one earlier. Yeah, we did wintergreen earlier. They bought me out from it. I'm loving these powder bombs. I gotta get 3 more cans. I'd say like another 8 to 15-ish minutes. I gotta get the rest of these ads in and then clean up. Yeah, I'm shocked.